Hello, travel agents, and welcome back to another video. I'm Zora with Zora's Travel Bliss LLC. I am the CEO and regional trainer. In today's training video, I will be telling you how to exploring fresh streams of revenue in the travel industry. How to add multiple streams of income in your travel business. The art of commissions, payment through commissions. When you become a travel agent, the commission payment method is included in all of the bookings you make. The supplier will pay you a percentage of the sale once the trip has been completed. It's important to keep in mind that you will not receive the commission payment until after the trip is finished. Actions to take before receiving commission checks to ensure payment. Here are several steps you can take to guarantee that you receive payment before your commission check arrives. A booking or research fee for travel integrity requests and quotes to ensure you get paid firsthand. Some travel agents charge based off their personal experience. Some agents start at $50, and I have some agents who have gone up to $25, $125. Agent markups. The amount you charge above what the supplier charges you is called an agent markup. You can charge agent markups for hotel, flights, and packages. Tips. Tip. Please be aware of the market rate before applying the agent markup. Actions to take before receiving commission checks to ensure payment. Here are several steps you can take to guarantee that you receive payment before your commission check arrives. Charging cancellation fees, best practices. To avoid any confusion or frustration, it's essential to inform your customers of any cancellation fees ahead of time. Let your customers know during the booking process that you charge, for example, a $50 fee for canceling trips. It's crucial to communicate this upfront and avoid any surprises later. Actions to take before receiving commission checks to ensure payment. Here are several steps you can take to guarantee that you receive payment before your commission check arrives. Service fees. What you need to know. Service fees apply for any additional work required. This includes changes to the itinerary, adding extra people, modifying names or dates, leaving a tip, and more. Here are several steps you can take to guarantee that you receive payment before your commission check arrives. Tips for establishing a travel club membership with your agency. If you're looking for ways to generate recurring monthly income for your agency, consider creating a travel club membership. Here are several tips to keep in mind. Clearly outline the benefits of the membership, such as exclusive discounts, access to unique travel experiences, personalized travel planning, and more. Determine the cost of the membership and ensure that the features you provide are worth the cost for the customer. Make sure that the benefits of the membership are valuable enough to keep members renewing their membership. Thank you for watching today's training video.